This 2018 Jayco Eagle 317 RLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, LP detector, DVD player, smoke detector, slide-out, microwave, TV, air conditioning, awning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle 317 RLOK is 10,565 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.